Well, we made it up here. Time to go on inside, put the umbrella away for the rest of the day. Well, at least for the next, you know, half hour, 45 minutes. And then enjoy checking out some animals without getting wet. By then, it'll probably be time to go home. So yeah, come on, let's go. So one thing I'm interested in is seeing what they have in these displays over here. Because this used to be where the snow leopards were. It looks like they replaced them with the fossa. So the fossa got a bigger home now. Up there chilling. So that's cool. So I want to see how they relaid out this building now that, you know, everything got moved. None in this one. And it looks like these are still being updated. So they're putting some of the well, I'm going to call baboons? Sort of related to the baboon. Okay. Oh, there he is. Back there. Hold on. See if I can find him. Hard to see. If I go over here. Nope. Oh, here's one. Now this is a swamp monkey. He must hear the baboon next door because he's trying to get over there. Wonder if they ever let him interact. Maybe? I don't know. Well, hi. I had to go to night mode to get the picture of this guy. What are you? You're a bush baby. Wow. It's hard to get these on camera, and I found this new night mode while on vacation, so I'm kind of glad I did. Makes an awesome video. This is another bush baby. It's a greater northern bush baby. He's got his own little jungle set in here. And his own little play set. I guess it's the first time I've ever been able to record these, so this is awesome. Must be hungry, getting some food. Wow, you're really going for it, aren't you? Oh, are you taking a nap? That's not food. That looks like it's a bed. Well, good night, guy. Sweet dreams. Well, inside this one is supposed to be a slow loris, but I'm not seeing it. It's another nocturnal animal. It likes the dark, hence the red light in there. Just enough light to allow us to see. Luckily the camera picks up on that red light very, very well. But I'm not seeing him in there. This guy, wherever he went, lurking in the shadows, is a tree shrew. Come on, you were just running all around. Like, now you know I'm filming and you stopped. I know you're right there. I can see you, sorta. Darn it. Okay, we'll wait a little bit. Okay, I was wrong. That was the aye-aye, not a tree shrew. There's a tree shrew somewhere around here. I just wasn't able to find one. But time to leave the nocturnal stuff and go back out to the main display and see what's going on out here. Check out the orangutans and such. No, maybe not. Maybe the orangutans are at the rainforest. But the gorillas are here. Oh, and there they are. Let's check them out. Hi there. What you doing? Just leaning here, chilling? See if I get a better picture. There you are. You just checking out your feet. Itching your eye? Yeah, but it must be pretty boring for you. Now what are you? You're a Western lowland gorilla. And I know there's another one in here. He's way back there. He's actually laying on one of these, looks like some kind of material. He's laying back there sleeping. Come on, focus on him, not the plants. Come on, camera. Well, I wouldn't focus on that last one, so I found another one. It's up here just hanging out. You guys are smart, you're staying inside. They do have the option to go outside, but they're not going out in the rain. Look at this. Look at this building. Look at all the people in this building. I'm the only one in here. That is amazing. That, my friends, is a mandrill. He wants to go say hi to the gorillas. I don't know if that's a good idea. I don't know if you guys get along. So those were African animals. Now time to go check out some, if it focuses, South American animals. Oh, your name's funny. You're a reed titty. Okay, I need to grow up. You guys are just kind of chilling. Well, that's not much fun at all. There you go. Well, hi. How are you? Look at that funny face. To go with your funny name. Now the rest of these guys I couldn't find in their cage. They may be on the other side where it's a lot wider open. So we'll find out. We'll walk around and find out. I was just walking back around and I seen how active these guys were. I had to stop. Because he's eating. This guy was playing with the branch and he's picking at himself. Then over here he was playing. See if he still wants to play. I'm gonna have to come over here to get my stuff anyway, so. Nope, he's eating. Well, this is where the fossa used to be, so you could see how on the other side where they moved, they're much bigger cages. So now that they moved the fossas over there, wonder what they're planning on putting here. Ooh, lemurs. I love lemurs. No, where are you? There you are. Look. Your faces are the best. Yeah, there you are. These are some of my favorite animals, the lemurs. I'm gonna have to come back here and spend more time in this building. I'm starting to run out of time. Now time to check out the fish. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time in here. Like I said, I am running out of time. We'll come back and look at the fish another day. I don't want to show you everything all in one day. It's not like a lot of animals in the other room I didn't show you. But I could spend hours sitting here watching the fish swim around. They're so pretty and so big. I will show you that guy low. That is an octopus. Just kind of chilling here. There's been times we've been in here and he was really on the move. When that happens, you can see how big he really gets. It's very impressive. But not going to happen today. That is an awesome tank. Just filled with tons and tons of neon fish. They naturally look that way. A lot of people think they're colored, but they're not. Well, these shark fish right there. We used to have a couple of those in our tank. Wasn't quite as big as that, but we also used to have these barbs, the tiger barbs, but we had to get rid of them. They like to nip at the fins of the other fish. Look how big that guy is. He's huge. Oh, hi there. These guys always look so happy. Stingrays. He looks like he's cleaning the wall or cleaning the window. And actually he probably is. Eating the algae off of it. And we're back to where we began. Looking at some of these exhibits where I figured the Gibson would be, or the Gibbon, Mueller's Gibbon, which is a type of a monkey or type of an ape. Is there one back there? I see things moving. I was gonna say I didn't see any, but I see something moving back there. Yeah, I see him back there. You can't see his head low. Oh, there's a couple of them running around. I think they may have went next door. Nope. Oh, there he is. Yep. They're both coming over here. Cool. Great shot right here. It looks like the other ones on the other side I missed just got released. I actually seen them coming out of that door. I'm not going to go back over there and look at them. We'll come out next time we're here. This is a cool building to check out in the winter. Or on a rainy day like this. Well, I'm back outside now in the rain. And it got a little chilly since I was in there. And windy. I think it's time to cut my losses and maybe head for home. The question is, do I wait for the tram? Or do I just walk it back? The tram ride up here was actually pretty chilly. Because of the wind and the rain. I don't know what to do. Heck, we'll walk it back up. Why not? You know, if you get sick, you get sick. Either way, I think I'd probably get sick. But we're gonna walk it back and see what other animals we see on the way back. I think I made a good choice because I just made it down to the bottom of the hill and I just seen the tram headed up the hill. So I was just still been up there waiting and it really wasn't that bad. It's only really bad when the wind blows. Because when the wind blows, this umbrella, it doesn't do anything. The rain and stuff just comes right underneath it. The other thing I like about this umbrella is it holds my drink. Yep, I'm not lazy. But hey, it works, so why not? Now, I think I may stop at the elephants. Or maybe not. Ooh, wow. Is that the wind or is the rain picking up heavy? I don't know. I'm going to try to stop at the elephants before I leave. So we'll see. Since I'm walking now. I'm not sure if this is going to be one video if it'll end up being 2 videos. I did take a lot of footage. I don't know how much is good and how much I'll cut out. Either way, this 1 or 2 videos will be the next one you see, obviously. And then this camera that I'm holding right here is going into Best Buy. That will be the following video you see. Then we'll be back to a couple of vacation videos. So that's just kind of the schedule this week. I hope you don't mind us kind of bouncing around. I hope you don't mind like the 2-part videos. You're asking me what we do on days we're not recording. Last week we didn't do anything. We slept. We were exhausted by the time that we went on vacation and came back and went to Cedar Point, and then the next day we went to the fair. We were exhausted. We worked and slept and relaxed and did house chores. That's all you missed. So yeah, I hope kind of how we're doing things is okay for you guys, because I see it kind of working that way for the next couple of weeks at least. When we're down here by the elephants, let's try to find them. Well, I don't see the elephants anywhere, so they're probably inside the care center. Let's go see if we can see them. Yeah, there they are. A couple are out back, areas we don't have access to, but a couple are in here. Looks like this guy just came back in because he's still wet. The big one, he seems kind of dry. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Oh, he's trying to find food. He's doing some of the enrichment. Aww. That's cute. I gotta get a picture of that. So if you've never seen this care center, it's made up of 4 individual cells. All the cells lead to a second cell behind it where they could separate them again, and then those all lead outside to a private area that's not available for public. Now over here they could lead them this way, and this is where they do their cleaning and they do the medical treatment stuff, and all that's done through that door. So it's kind of cool. I'd love to take like a tour of this. I'm going to start looking into tours and things like that, because as you know, because of people like you who watch our videos, we're starting to get a little ad revenue going. I want to use that money to put back into the vlog, so doing tours of different things and, you know, buying better equipment, stuff like that. But if you're helping us make a little bit of money, that money should be going back towards you. So yeah. This over here is kind of gross. Here, check this out. It's a pile of nigget mole rats. Is that not gross? This guy is eating away. And yeah, they're just, well, they're all like busy beavers. There's another pile of them eating away. What's over here? Ooh, a snake. It's been a while since I've been in here, so yeah, they forgot they had a couple little exhibits in here. Very cool. Well guys, I think it's time for me to call it a day. I had a really good time here coming in the rain, and I just gotta figure out how to get back to my car because I didn't park in a normal spot. Definitely check out coming to the zoo on a rainy day. It's well worth it. They're not busy, so you get to spend lots of time with the animals without people pushing in your, you know, pushing you out of the way and stuff. There are plenty, and I didn't go in half of them, places that, you know, will keep you dry. So even if you don't have an umbrella, you know, you can kind of jump from place to place. I've really enjoyed it. I'm sure Kristen's going to be upset, like I said before, she didn't get to come. Sorry, honey. But I'm going to go home, get this edited, and relax and stay warm. Maybe drink some hot chocolate. it's just that kind of day. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.